or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What we're doing today is a little bit different. I'm going to give you 15 ways to make your home look more expensive on a budget, okay? And I have a bunch more ideas, so if you enjoy this type of video, definitely let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps trigger the algorithm and it helps me out a lot. So let's get started with the first way. Choose an accent color and repeat it at least 3 times. Here they've chosen blue as an accent color, and it will make your room look pulled together and give it a designer look if you pick that accent color that you really like and you use it at least 3 times. It looks very cohesive and designer-like, which leads itself to a high-end look. Here they're using that beautiful taupey brown as an accent color, and I love how it plays off the walls. I think it's beautiful, and it just pulls that room together and sort of sucks you into it, and you just look like, wow, a designer must have done this room. Number 2, bookcases are a great way to make your house look more expensive, whether it's something you buy from IKEA, Lowe's, Walmart, and add molding to it, or if you just want to do built-ins, it's great. In this picture, I know it's a little hard to see, but the top is the before, the bottom is the after. The top picture looks unfinished, disconnected from the room. The bottom picture looks totally like a designer came in and upscaled your house. Everything looks connected. It grounds the room and makes it look so expensive. Here's another picture before and after. You can see how the bottom looks like it's totally complete. A designer has walked in and restyled the whole area. It looks like 2 separate homes. There's nothing like adding vertical interest to a room to make it look more expensive. You can add molding to an IKEA bookcase or one you have to make it look more expensive. It doesn't matter. Here you can see they just added shelves and went vertical with that, and it adds so much interest, so much texture, and it pulls the room together. I cannot say enough about adding vertical space to your rooms. Here they just have a little bookcase that stands up. You can find these at Walmart. You used to be able to find them at Lowe's, Amazon, and all you'd have to do to make it look even more expensive is add a little bit of molding that you can pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot that's not really expensive, and you can transform this into a beautiful gem to give you that added vertical space. Window treatments would be number 3. Window treatments can make such a difference in your home and give it a much more upscale look. Window treatments are so important. In my opinion, every window should have drapes or blinds to give the room a finished look. Target, IKEA, and Amazon have gorgeous and inexpensive drapes. And I'll give you a styling tip. Your drapes should be hung as high as possible and as long enough that they just skim the floor or gently break at the floor. When you hang your drapes, make sure you're not hanging them too high. They can make a room look short or unbalanced, but if you hang them right, they can add such height to a room and give the illusion that the window is higher than it is. Number 4, a fresh coat of paint will totally refresh your space, make it look more expensive, and update it. Fresh coat of paint will make your home look expensive. Color tends to change with time, so updating your paint color will also update your home. Light, airy, neutral paint colors make a room look expensive, whereas dark colors are also on trend and will make your interiors look more upscale. Sherwin-Williams often has paint sales, and their paint is great. Choose a color that you'll love and will work with your floors, furniture, and decor. You can get sample-wise peel and stick paint samples that are accurate colors, they peel and stick, and they're delivered to your door usually the next day. Put some white paper around the peel and stick paint sample to make sure that your existing color on the wall doesn't influence how your sample color appears. This is a great option. Number 5, paint your interior doors. You always think of painting your exterior front door, but paint your interior doors. It can add so much depth and warmth to a home and visual interest. And right now, the hot trend is painting them black, charcoal gray, or really pretty beige. Look through any magazine or even Instagram, and you will see a high-end home with doors painted either black, blue, charcoal gray, or some rich color. If you paint your interior doors, it adds beautiful contrast to any room. Number 6, mix your textiles, like your carpets, your pillows, anything like that, and it will give your home a more upscale look. Mix your pillows, your throw blankets, area rugs, curtains, and upholstery to give your home a more upscale look. Combine leather, linen, velvet, cotton, and wool. Layer in different textile textures with your pillows and throw blankets to add interest and style to a room. And then use a beautiful rug in every room. They make a home look so expensive and are very affordable now. Number 7. This is so easy to do and it's totally free. Pull your furniture away from the wall if you have to have enough room to do this. Like in my living room here, I really don't have the room. But if you have the room, pull it away from the wall, make little conversation areas, and it immediately makes it look more upscale. Just by pulling the furniture away from the wall, it adds interest and depth. Pull your furniture away from the wall. Your space will look more expensive because it utilizes the room much better. It gives the room more presence and creates better conversation areas. Make sure to take stock of your furniture and create a furniture arrangement that will fit your room the best. Number 8, add framed artwork to your space. It instantly refreshes and updates your space with very little cost. There's ways to do that. Go on Etsy, print out something you like, or you can buy something inexpensive at a thrift store that you like, or you can just shop for pretty decor and catch sales. Adding framed artwork is a great way to create a cohesive color palette in a home and make it look richer and more expensive. There are many sources out there for free and inexpensive art. The New York Public Library's digital collection is one place. I went there. They have tons of free things. And the USDA Special Collections and ETSEY. I'll link all 3 in the description box below. Number 9, lighting. Lighting can do so much for a space. Ambient lighting is always adding warmth. It just makes it look cozy. It makes your room and your decor look so high end. Make sure your room has overhead ambient lighting. This includes ceiling lights, table lamps, floor lamps, and/or wall sconces. When a room has multiple light sources, it feels more elevated. And I'll give you a tip. Putting your lighting on a dimmer switch is a great way to create beautiful ambiance. Artificial greenery. That can amp up your space so easy. Or if you have a green thumb, real greenery can really add to the space. But don't forget greenery, trees, anything like that. Artificial or real trees, flowers, botanicals, and plants. There's nothing like adding greenery to a room. It instantly adds life, pattern, texture, or color. Number 11, which is one thing that I did when we moved into this house. Paint your cabinets in your kitchen or your bathroom vanities. I did both of that. Matter of fact, the cabinets we have right now, I totally painted them. I love them, and I replaced the hardware. Such an easy and very inexpensive way to update your home and make it look more expensive. Okay, we're going to take a look at a kitchen before it was painted and after. If you paint your kitchen cabinets and bathroom vanities, it brings new life to your outdated kitchen or bathroom. Or if you have tile in your bathroom or kitchen and it's in good shape, paint over it. Now, number 13 goes along with number 12. Replace your existing hardware on your doors or your cabinets. If you don't want to replace them, spray paint them. I've spray painted light fixtures before and it turned out great. It adds such an upscale look to your home without spending a lot of money. Get spray paint from Lowe's or Home Depot, then tape off anything you do not want painted on your fixture, and the results are amazing. Or you can just replace them with something thrifted or something you find on sale. I've done this in our guest bathroom and it works wonderfully. Number 14 we've done as well. Replace your faucets. Just replacing an old, worn out, outdated faucet can make your home look so high-end, and it's just, I love to do things like that. It really does give you that designer look. When you replace your faucets, it updates your bathroom immediately and it freshens the area. And number 15 is add molding to your room. Molding can do so much. It adds depth, texture. I love to add molding to a room. I think I'm going to maybe add some right in here to do a wainscoting effect. Adding unique details to a room like crown molding, new window trim, and wainscoting is a great way to add character and a designer look to your home. If you already have the wainscoting, then all you have to do to update it is just put a fresh coat of paint on it. Or you can make your very own wainscoting using molding. Home Depot also has pre-made wainscoting panels that you can install very quickly. Well, I hope you enjoyed these 15 or so ways to update your home and make it look more expensive on a budget. A lot of these ideas are very renter friendly, some aren't. But even in your home, you can really amp up your space, make it look so much more expensive and designer and on trend. So I will see you on Wednesday. Not sure what we'll be doing, but I'll see you then. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss any of my uploads or community posts. And from time to time, I do stories or shorts.